Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been a while. Hope you've been staying safe. Angela Walker of Walker Mobile Homes. So I wanted to walk you through our latest project, which is in Southwind Mobile Estates, and just give you a general idea of what a before video looks like before we even start any renovations on a project. So come on. You're gonna run into a lot of things, so a lot of stuff that people just leave behind. Here's a perfect example, stacks of random furniture. Okay, and then this shed is clearly not in great condition, so we're gonna have to haul the shed out, but if you look, it's packed with garbage. So if you're looking at buying a mobile home or selling a mobile home or wondering if it's actually going to be a good investment, just know that you can make upgrades to mobile homes and keep them updated so that they sustain their value and follow the current trend for regular homes. So this is gonna show you a perfect example of how it could be a complete disaster and be made to be valuable. So come, let's take a look. Here you have the floor. Everything's out of date and the flooring needs to be updated. There are tons of soft spots on the ground, which can be replaced with new subflooring from Home Depot or Lowe's, whatever you prefer. We're gonna have to remove this entire kitchen and replace it with new cabinets. The top cabinets are actually in decent condition, and we have this lovely built-in in decent condition, and we can basically clean it up and paint it. Now the floors, we need to remove all this carpet, paint the walls, make it nice and bright, freshen it up. But you can see this is a quite spacious living room. We have a nice deck out here. Again, left furniture, cigarette butts. Just haul it away. Soft spots in the deck, so we're gonna have to replace that. Power wash all the cat hair. Okay. And then there's this cute little backyard patio. Backyard space with a nice maple tree. Fenced in. Granted, the fencing needs to be replaced, fixed. Some skirting needs to be replaced. Watch your step here. Stuff everywhere. It's going to need a new HVAC system. Haul out all this junk. Okay, let's go back inside. Okay, let me give you some perspective because I know it can look pretty horrible, but if you wanted to purchase this mobile home, or if you're looking at purchasing a mobile home to renovate it so that another person can have a great space to live in, it's completely possible, and I'm going to walk you through this transformation. So there are going to be upcoming videos for you to watch so you can see the progress that we make and not to judge a book by its cover. So come, let's take a look at the bedrooms. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So here we are in the master. It has a large closet. Now the carpets obviously need to be ripped out, walls painted, made fresh. Ceiling is in good condition. So when I have the ceiling in good condition, I always have my roofer come take a look at it just in case, because that's a very key element to a good house, having a good roof, solid roof over your head. So he comes and he typically, for mobile homes, every 5 years you should reseal the roof, even if it's in good condition. to ensure that there aren't any future leaks. So here we have, you know, a typical bathroom. Okay, so here's a linen closet in the hallway, and then the other bathroom. Full bath, so that's good. That's valuable. And right next to the bathroom is another linen closet. Storage is key. And then bedroom number 2. You know, I haven't tested this out. So good, operating fan. There you go. Okay, so there you have it. The first step of renovating a mobile home, either for yourself or for someone else to live in. And stay connected. So subscribe to my channel so you can see this lovely transformation. You might be surprised. Okay, have a good one and stay safe.